Hello friends, welcome to SSP Math. Our next topic of syllabus is Legendre's function. So this is the last topic of this unit, that is series solution of differential equation. In this topic we will take only series solution of Legendre's equation about x equal to 0, means that is on ordinary point. So first, what is Legendre's equation? The differential equation 1 minus x square into d2y by dx square minus 2x dy by dx plus n into n plus 1 y equal to 0 is known as Legendre's equation. Now we have to solve this Legendre's equation using series solution means power series solution. So how we find the solution of this Legendre's equation? This equation is of the form p0 of x into d2y by dx square plus p1 of x into dy by dx plus p2 of x into y equal to 0 is form में. So what is p0 of x here? Here p0 of x given a 1 minus x square. So using this, if you write p0 of 0 is 1, which is not equal to 0, and therefore x equal to 0 is, yes, which point here? X equal to 0 is ordinary point. And यदि x equal to 0 ordinary point है, this is not singular point. X equal to 0 ordinary point है, तो हम solution क्या लेते हैं? So we have to take solution of given differential equation is y is equal to summation of k varies from 0 to infinity, yes, ak into x to the power k. After this, for solving this differential equation, what we want? Dy by dx and d2y by dx square. So what are our next step? You think about this. dy by dx में क्या आता है? Ordinary point में summation of k कहाँ से start होता है? 1 से. ak into derivative of x raised to k क्या आएगा? k into x raised to k minus 1 and d2y by dx square क्या आएगा? d2y by dx square में समेशन कहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है? k 2 से. so 2 to infinity ak into k as it is. Derivative of x raised to k minus 1 is k minus 1 into x raised to k minus 2. Okay, and therefore given differential equation becomes now 1 minus x square into summation of k varies from 2 to infinity ak k into k minus 1 x to the power k minus 2 minus 2x into summation of dy by dx k varies from 1 to infinity ak k x to the power k minus 1 plus n into n plus 1 into y is summation of k varies from 0 to infinity ak into x raised to k equal to 0. Now after simplification means this 1 into this series and minus x square into this, we have to write next step. So simplification is 1 into this, that is summation of k varies from 2 to infinity ak k into k minus 1 x raised to k minus 2. Then if you multiply this minus x square to this, then power of x is here minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled. So minus summation of k varies from 2 to infinity ak k minus 1 x to the power k रहेगा. Then this x into this again, that is minus 2 into summation of k varies from 1 to infinity ak k into x to the power k and plus n into n plus 1 k varies from 0 to infinity ak x raised to k equal to 0. Okay, now we have to find the constants here a1 a0 it means we have to find the constant a2 a3 a4 in terms of a0 and a1. If you remember that ordinary point problems on ordinary point, in that we have to find the constants in terms of a0 and a1. So for that we have to make the coefficient of x same. So in first series, not power of x same, so in first series power of x is k minus 2 here, तो इसकी पावर हमें क्या करना है? k करना है, because here x raised to k, here x raised to k, here x raised to k. So when we get here power of x is k, ऑर्डिनरी पॉइंट में हमने k m में शिफ्ट किया था और एज इट इज भी रखा, तो यहाँ पर क्या करना होगा हमें? k इक्वल टू k प्लस 2. if you put k equal to k plus 2, 2 get cancel. Okay, so summation of के कैसे वेरी होगा, के की वैल्यू यदि के प्लस टू रखी तो के इक्वल टू के लिए के जीरो होगा, जीरो टू इन्फिनिटी ए के प्लस टू, दिस के इज के प्लस टू इंटू के प्लस टू माइनस वन, that is k plus 1 into x to the power k. Remaining terms same, minus k varies from 2 to infinity a k into k minus 1 x to the power k minus 2 into summation of k varies from 1 to infinity a k x to the power k and plus n into n plus 1 summation of k varies from 0 to infinity a k into x raised to k equal to 0. अब इसके बाद हमें क्या करना है, कांस्टेंट फाइंड करने. तो कांस्टेंट फाइंड करने के लिए सीरीज मैक्सिमम इन ऑल दिस सीरीज के कहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है, इन सम सीरीज के 0 से स्टार्ट होता है, इन सम सीरीज के 2 से स्टार्ट होता है. सो ये जो ऑल सीरीज है 0 एंड 1 वाली, ये 2 तक एक्सपांड करो. मीन्स if we expand this series for k equal to 0 and 1, so we put k equal to 0 here, then we will get a2 into 2 into 1 into x to the power 0 is 1, then plus k equal to 1 के लिए क्या आएगा, a3, 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 1 is 2 into x and plus summation of k, now 2 से start हो रहा है, ak plus 2 k plus 2 k plus 1 x to the power k minus this series right as it is summation of k, because k already 2 से start हो रहा है यहाँ पर, 2 k varies from 2 to infinity a k into k minus 1 x to the power k. Then next one is here k 1 से start हो रहा है, so expand this series for k equal to 1, so minus 2 into a1 into k1 x, okay, and plus minus minus summation of k starts from now 2 to infinity a k x to the power k as it is, and we have to expand this series for n equal to 0 and n equal to 1 again. So if you put expand for n equal to 0, then n into n plus 1 a0 मिलेगा and plus n into n plus 1 a1x, okay, k equal to 1 के लिए a1x मिलेगा and plus n into n plus 1 summation of k varies from 2 to infinity a k into x to the power k equal to 0. Now observe this step carefully. From this step, if we equate the coefficient of constant term and x to 0, then we will get the value of a2 and a3 in terms of a0 and a1 directly. एंड यदि आगे वाले कांस्टेंट फाइंड करने हैं तो हमें क्या करना होगा, वी हैव टू इक्वेट द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x रेज टू k to 0, then we will get recurrence relation. I think in this problem no need to find recurrence relation because up to a3 हमें कांस्टेंट मिल रहे हैं, so no need to find recurrence relation, only equate the constant term and coefficient of x to 0. So what is constant term here? Constant term is here 2a2 and plus n into n plus 1 into a0. So constant term is 2a2 plus n into n plus 1 into a0 equate with 0. So using this we can write 2a2 is equal to minus n into n plus 1 a0, and therefore a2 is equal to minus n into n plus 1 upon 2 into a0. So this is the value of a2. Okay, now if we equate the coefficient of x, देखो यहाँ पर 3 into 2 6a3 and here plus then 6a3 minus 2a1x and plus n into n plus 1 a1x. So 6a3, coefficient of x is 6a3 minus 2a1 and plus n into n plus 1 a1. These are the coefficient of x equate with 0. Okay, so we want the value of a3, so 6a3 is equal to 2a1 minus n into n plus 1 a1. Take a1 common, so a3 is equal to 2 minus n into n plus 1 upon 6 into a1 can be written as minus n square minus n plus 2 upon 6 into a1. So from this, if we take minus n common, then we will get minus n square plus n minus 2 upon 6 into a1, that is equal to minus, its roots are n plus 2 into n minus 1 upon 6, means we can write 3 factorial into a1. So this is the value of a3. okay, यदि आपको a4 फाइंड करना है तो फाइंड रिकरेंस रिलेशन. हाउ वी फाइंड रिकरेंस रिलेशन? फॉर दैट, from this step, equate the coefficient of x raised to k to 0, then we will get ak plus 2 in terms of ak, and in that put k equal to 2, then we will get the value of a4. But no need to find a4 here, and therefore solution of given डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन इज, क्या लिया था हमने सॉल्यूशन, y इक्वल टू समेशन ऑफ k वेरीज फ्रॉम 0 टू इन्फिनिटी ए के एक्स रेस टू के. देखो मैंने यहाँ पर a4 क्यों नहीं फाइंड किया, बिकॉज हमें a2 भी नॉन जीरो मिला, a3 भी नॉन जीरो मिला. ओके, सो अप टू a3 सफिशियंट है. सो इफ यू एक्सपांड दिस सीरीज फॉर k इक्वल टू 0 टू इन्फिनिटी, देन वी विल गेट a0 प्लस a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus so on. So put the value of, keep a0 and a1 as it is. What is the value of a2? a2 is minus n into n plus 1 upon 2 factorial. 2 into 2 means 2 factorial into a0 x square, and a3 is also negative, minus n in plus 2 into n minus 1 upon 3 factorial into a1 plus so on. Okay, so after simplification from these two terms, if we take a0 common, a0 in bracket 1 minus n into n plus 1 upon 2 factorial x square plus so on, and from this and this, if we take a1 common, so plus a1 into x minus n plus 2 into n minus 1 upon 3 factorial into x raised to 3 here, a3x cube plus so on. So this is in the form of a0 phi of x plus a1 psi of x. So this is the solution of given Legendre's equation about x equal to 0. So in this way our unit number 4 is over here. In next video we will start unit number 5. Thank you so much for watching the video.